Hey guys, today let's explore the opportunities to make money online, and as we go through, I will give you my honest opinion about each of the opportunities. One of the simplest ways to make a little bit of extra money is through doing online surveys. This can be just you answering different multiple choice questions on your phone. It does not require any particular skills or knowledge. So, as long as you know how to read and write, you will be able to do it. However, it does not make you rich. You may be able to earn a few $100 per month, but if being realistic, it might be even less than that. It also consumes a lot of your time. I mean, hours if you want to actually make some money. So, if you have a ton of free time, maybe it could be a great idea for you, but otherwise, it is probably not the best way to make money online. Okay, let's move to the second simple way you can earn money online. And that is teaching somebody how to do something that they need. For example, you would teach somebody how to speak another language. This will work if you actually know something, because that way you will have a lot of clients and people will be happy to pay for your services. Yet there are challenges with this as well, because you will have to let people know about yourself, and that is often very difficult. If you don't, you won't make any money. Money follows attention, and to get attention, you can either do all of the marketing yourself or use some other platform or a website to do it for you. But here you need to understand one thing. The company that will sell you to the client will take a lot of money. I know a lot of examples when teachers basically get 40% of what they would earn if they only worked for themselves, if no company would take their money. Now let's move on to probably the most popular way that everybody knows about but cannot do, and that is YouTube. Every kid dreams of having millions of subscribers and earning a lot of money off of it. And that is all possible, but what most people do not understand is that they have to give something to people to watch their content for. There needs to be a clear reason for people to watch your content. So the reason why you make videos must not be just money. It will be very visible to your viewers, and nobody will watch your content just for you to make money off of it. If you will do YouTube just for income, you may focus too much on the reason why you make videos, so you will forget about the reason why people need to watch your content. Plus, doing all of the promotion is really hard while creating valuable content. I do not try to overwhelm you, but rather give a realistic perspective, because I've been doing this for quite some time. I'm not talking about lifting boxes. So if I was to look for some options to make money all over again, I would be happy if it was hard, because that way I know that I'm on track. When you think of life this way, it somehow becomes easier to accomplish things. If you weren't born yesterday, you know that making money is hard, and what I'm telling you should not scare you. Speaking of the truth, the harder the work is, the more money you will be paid for it. Alright guys, I hope that this was useful, and thank you for your time. See you in the next video.